Take a slow, grounding breath in. Hold it softly and let it out with a long, smooth exhale. Settle into your body completely. Softly close your eyes. If you are preparing to step into a room full of people, or if you are processing the exhausting spiral of social anxiety, pause right here. Your nervous system is on high alert, trying to protect you, but you are safe. Social anxiety tells your brain that human eyes are a threat. It makes your heart race, your palms sweat, and your throat tighten. Unclench your jaw right now. Unfurl your hands. Drop your shoulders down away from your ears. Let your belly relax completely. Inhale steady, calming oxygen into your lungs and let it slide out softly. Feel the weight of gravity holding you grounded. When you walk into a crowd, it often feels as if a bright, harsh spotlight is shining directly on your face, recording every movement, every word, and every flaw. Imagine standing on a rocky shore in the middle of a swirling ocean. You are a tall, ancient stone lighthouse. The waves around you are the opinions, glances, and energy of other people, constantly shifting, moving, and crashing. Anxious thinking tricks you into trying to control the ocean. You try to calm every wave, worrying about what the water thinks of your structure. But a lighthouse does not shape itself to please the sea. It simply shines its light from deep, unyielding stone. You do not need to perform for anyone. You do not need to prove your right to occupy space in a room. People are mostly caught in their own oceans, worrying about their own waves. You are allowed to be the grounded lighthouse, quiet, secure, and whole. Your presence is not a mistake. You do not have to earn permission to exist. Press both feet flat against the floor Feel the earth supporting you as you repeat these truths. I am allowed to occupy space exactly as I am. I drop the burden of needing everyone's approval. My value does not change based on someone else's opinion. I am safe, anchored, and calm in my own body. Feel a solid, immovable weight settling into your lower body. You are rooted. The spotlight is gone. You are just a human being among human beings. And now, there is nothing else you need to do. Simply allow yourself to rest here for a little while longer. Let the music surround you. Let the quiet hold you. Let your body soften and allow your mind to be exactly as it is. You don't need to solve anything right now. You don't need to figure out what anyone thinks of you. You don't need to prepare for the next conversation, the next room, or the next moment. For these next few moments, simply enjoy being here. Breathe. Listen. Feel. And let yourself experience this little pocket of peace. You are allowed to take your time, so stay here for as long as you need, and let the music carry you gently toward the rest of your day. Take a deep breath of quiet strength in and release it with complete ease. Bring your focus back to the room. Feel your feet on the ground. Wiggle your fingers. Take one more deep breath and open your eyes with calm assurance. You've got this. Thank you for sharing your space with me today.